for the laundry business seminar, basically we will be teaching you all about how to put up the laundry business. So the important things that you have to know before you before you start your laundry business.
Alright, so magandang umaga. Good afternoon sa lahat ng delivers natin. So nandito tayo sa Marco Polo Hotel. Nag-seminar si Ma'am Joyce ng perfume making contest, hindi, perfume making. So, alright, so this Ma'am Joyce, hello. Alright, so yeah, si Ma'am Joyce nga pala ganito, sa mga hindi nakakilala, meron pa ba sa mga delivers natin? Salamat sa mga delivers natin, mga kapatid, tsaka sa mga
Thank you po for attending the seminar, attending the workshop.
Yeah, workshop. Okay, so Marco Polo kasi it's the same venue natin, Ma'am Joyce, for our next seminar that will be on November 16. So 4 businesses ang ating i-discuss. Hindi na 4. Okay, so mamimili po sila. Yung AM natin is about laundry and salon. Okay, so si Ma'am Joyce will be discussing the laundry shop part. Okay, Ma'am, ano ba yung discuss mo sa?
So for the laundry business seminar, basically we will be teaching you all about how to put up the laundry business. So the important things that you have to know before you before you start your laundry business, para you will be guided on how you will be you will execute your plans. Ayan. So, and also we can give you some list of suppliers where you can get your machine and also we will be introducing the POS system, the system para hindi tayo mahirapan to handle our business. Ayan. So, those are the things na
pwede nila malaman. Tsaka kasi Ma'am Joyce, di ba, bibigyan mo rin sila ng personal tips. Kasi Ma'am Joyce is running her own laundry, Dr. Speed. More than a year na ba siya, Ma'am? More than a year na. So,
and it's doing good.
It's doing good. Kaya gusto ko rin magkaroon ng mag-branch out na tayo, Dr. Speed sa Bataan.
Doctor.
The doctor owns the Dr. Speed. Okay, so yun yung mga, bibigyan mo rin sila ng personal tips, no? Paano ka nakasurvive dyan, Ma'am Joyce, no? And how to find the right inflation and everything about
the right supplier, the right
and handling also yung mga tao mo, paano din sila i-manage. Kasi very important din yung hindi ka nagpapalit-palit ng mga employees mo, di ba? Right now, how many employees na meron ka na?
Ngayon, 3.
And then, isa pa siguro crucial sa laundry shop, Ma'am Joyce, nakikita ko lang sa mga YouTube, yung mga complaints ng mga customers. So, tulungan mo din sila how to handle.
Yes.
And how to minimize.
Hindi kasi siya may iwasan. So, you just have to do something about it para ma-minimize.
Great. So, see you sa November 16 dito sa Marco Polo Hotel. So, morning session natin, dalawa yan, for only 5,000 pesos. And the afternoon, meron tayong Facebook ads, how to become a Facebook ads manager, and how to do drop shipping. So, sa afternoon naman, Ma'am Joyce, ang fee natin is only 6,000 pesos. So, may kasama ng snacks and 1 meal.
Yes.
Alright, so mag-register na kayo sa number ni Ma'am Joyce, sa number 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi. So, see you sa November 16.
See you.
Let's go.